Ma'am, can I read Ramanishina?
Ma'am, forum
Ma'am,
ma'am.
forum
Ma'am,
Can I
forum ma'am,
एक मिनिट
forum
yes
can
इल्मा
I?
read बेटा.
can I read?
Hello Mहोदय
Yes इल्मा.
Sarajani.
Can I read?
Ilma read Ilma.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Lack of
ma'am,
information
next
about the
time
reason
read.
of King Harsh is available writing of Chinese
Glass not coming.
Buran Tagas towns and village of a time were fortified and had hug gateway at their entrance. The society was divided into four groups, while the Kurda and intercaste marriage were not prohibited at that time. The custom of child marriage and polygamy
बेटा your voice is not clear. बेटा
Ma'am, can I read Dere Afizan?
yes there is an you
the
read.
local
Last meeting. Yes there is a read बेटा. There is an. Can you
Yes
listen
ma'am.
me? Hmm.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Can I read
Ah.
Lucia Fatima?
No, Fizan will read
Yes
because you know
ma'am.
why? Because Ilma, your voice is really not audible. We cannot listen you. Okay. Now life of
Ma'am,
people. देखो, we are going to see. Okay.
Ma'am, Dere Afizan will read no?
Hmm.
ma'am, can I
Okay.
read?
Okay.
There is
Life of the people. Information about the region of King Hirsch is available from the writings of Chinese traveler. Huan Tisang towns and villages of the time were fortified and had huge gateways at their entrance. The society was divided into four groups, while the Purda system and their caste marriages were
intercaste.
not
Intercaste.
prevalent. What is ma'am? Prevalent at the time. The custom of sati, child marriage, and polygamy had started by then. The local diet consisted of milk and milk products, white rice, fruits, and vegetables. They were clean,
White
simple,
નથી બેટા wheat છે wheat. White નથી wheat.
wheat, rice, fruits, and vegetables. They wore clean, simple white clothes. Men wore dhotis and women wear saris. Their ornaments, rings, bangles, bracelets, necklaces were made from flowers. Chess and games of dice
Of
were
dice.
popular
Dice.
means of entertainment. Acrobats and conjurers wandered from village to village entertaining people.
Yes.
મેમ હજી રીડ કરવાનું છે આગળ?
ma'am,
ના
can I
બેટા
read
બેટા.
item?
ઓકે.
Ma'am, can
Just
I
if
read
you
item?
just if you allow, I'll read now. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, information about the reign of King Harsh is available from the writing of Chinese traveler. Who is the Chinese traveler?
Who is
Who is
Chinese?
Ming Stang. Okay. Now, what were the in his Chinese travelers? Ming Stang की book में क्या लिखा था? I show you my presentation. आपको याद होगा कि मैंने बीच में एक स्लाइड छोड़ दी थी. मैंने बोला था आपको बाद में करवाऊंगी. याद है?
मैम आपके बैकग्राउंड में बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
I am sitting alone. See, this is about his time. Okay. He was a Chinese traveler. Can you see his photos also? Okay. His name was Rangzeng also. He visited India during. हाँ बेटा.
वॉइस इज मैम
Sorry.
बैकग्राउंड में से आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है और बहुत स्लो है.
Okay, girls. No one can listen me.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपका स्लो आ रहा है बट आवाज
आपका
स्लो
आवाज
आ
स्लो
रहा
आ
है.
रहा है. स्लो है, स्लो. आपका वॉइस. मैम स्पीक लाउडली.
Okay. Others can listen or not?
नो मैम.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Coming.
Okay.
Now it is coming.
Okay. So the Chinese traveler Hing Steng, he visited India during Harshavardhan's reign and studied Buddhism at Nalanda University for 5 years. 5 साल तक वो वहां पे रहे और बुद्धिज्म उन्होंने लर्न किया. Hing Steng stayed in India for 15 years. How many years he stayed in India for?
15 years.
Yes. Yes, and visited different places. Okay, what did he visit? Beta, different places. Okay,
Places.
excuse me. In 645 CE, he returned to China via Central Asia and took with him many books, relics, and statues. There were 100 Buddhist monasteries in Harsha's kingdom, Harshvardhan's kingdom. 100 Buddhist monasteries थे. People lived a simple, pious, and peaceful life. Simple and शांति वाली life रहते थे, peaceful life. On living by rules of good moral conduct and justice. उनका moral कैसा था? Good था. Conduct कैसा था? Good था. है ना? Justice मिलता था हर एक को. And cheating and breach of promise, मतलब promise तोड़ना, cheating करना, were considered sinful. How were they considered? Punishable. Okay, they were, yes, they were considered sinful. हर्षास के पीरियड के टाइम में. नॉट ओनली दैट बेटा, है ना, दे हैड, यू नो, एट दैट टाइम, okay, the all this bad evils like sati pratha, child marriage, dahej, polygamy had started by then, है ना. तो यू नो, ऑल दिस क्रियल, जैसे चाइल्ड मैरिज, सती प्रथा, उसके बाद तो बहुत सारी बैड रिचुअल्स आए, जैसे दूध पीती system, and all this was starting at that time. But by the arrival of Raja Ram Mohan Roy and all this that we will learn in the 8th class next year, all was banned. Nowadays so it is crime only. Okay, it is considered as crime. Child marriage, sati pratha, polygamy, matlab dahej pratha, and all this is crime. Okay, the local diet consisted mainly of milk and milk products, wheat, rice, vegetables, fruits, and all these things, right? And the people wore clean clothes, simple clothes, white clothes, and all the colorful clothes. Men generally wore what? They wore dhotis, and women wore saris. Generally, we are talking about, okay? Their ornaments were made from flowers, like bracelets, necklaces, rings, bangles, all are ornaments. वो किससे बनाते थे वो लोग बेटा?
Flower.
हाँ, they used to make with flowers. Okay. Chess and games of dice. Chess and games of dice. Dice, it means you all know, no? The one which we use in snakes and ladders, that is called dice. I don't know what you pronounce in Gujarati or Hindi. Anyone knows what do you say dice in Gujarati or Hindi? जिस पे वो 1 2 3 नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं 6 तक के डाइस पे. Okay, no problem. Chess and games of dice were
मैम
popular
your
means.
voice.
हाँ
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना, धीरा
मैम
आवाज आ
please
रहा है.
speak water.
but only one or two girls are having that problem. Why don't you use a earphone or a speaker to listen? Others are able to listen. Other girls, are you able to listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, ma'am, we can listen
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So chess and games were popular means of entertainment. Apart from that, acrobats, conjurers wandered from villages to village entertaining people. एक्रोबेट्स एंड कॉन्जुरिस मीन्स व्हाट, वो जो खेल नहीं करते लड़कियां लड़के वो रोप पे, और वो दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्रोबेट्स एंड कॉन्जुरिस. ओके, सो farming and animal husbandry, we'll see now. Yes, Insha, read better.
Ma'am, can I read it?
Insha, if you
Yes, ma'am.
say, read better.
Okay. Gold from gold and silver, no, ma'am.
Yes, better.
Gold and silver
Previous
coins.
paragraph, anyone has any doubt in the upper paragraph?
No.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
okay, then continue better.
No, ma'am.
Gold and silver coins were used for
No, better.
commercial
Farming has been left. Farming and animal
from
husbandry.
farming.
Yes,
Okay.
I have not explained.
Farming and animal husbandry were the main occupation of the people. Land revenue was one-sixth of the production. Internal and international trade was carried out by the Vaishyas. A highway from Patliputra to Brugga Kutch, Bharuch port was built by the state for trade and transportation of goods.
Continue.
Okay. Gold and silver coins were used for commercial transactions,
Commercial
ornaments,
commercial नहीं,
statues,
commercial नहीं बेटा, commercial बोलो फिर से.
commercial,
फिर से.
commercial transactions, ornaments, statues in ivory and carved
Ivory
wooden
नहीं, ivory.
ivory, ivory and carved wooden pieces were exported. The export of different materials from India increased her prosperity. During the reign of King Harsh,
જો
India
એક
has
મિનિટ હા, during the region નથી, during the reign છે. શું છે? during the reign. ઓકે, reign region એટલે શું કે એ એરિયા, પર્ટિક્યુલરલી એ એરિયા, અને reign એટલે શું? reign એટલે શું કે એના એના રૂલના સમયગાળો. સમજાયું?
yes. India had good business relations with Rome, which led to the inflow of gold in India. People followed Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, but were tolerant towards other religions.
Yes. So farming and animal husbandry, they were the main occupations of the people during Harshvardhan's time. Okay. Land revenue એટલે શું કે tax was one-sixth of the production. Internal and international trade both was carried out. Okay. By Vaishyas. So જે trade કરે ને, they were known as Vaishyas. Okay. A highway from Patliputra to Burg Kutch એટલે કે ભરૂચ port was built by the state for trade and transportation of goods. Gold and silver coins were used for commercial transactions. For what type of transaction gold and silver coins were used? For commercial transactions. पैसा लेना देना उनसे. ठीक है, gold and silver coins, imagine कितनी prosperity होगी उस टाइम पे. Ornaments, statues, ivories, and carved wooden pieces were exported. The export of different materials from India increased her prosperity. During the reign of King Harsh, India had good business relations with Rome, which led to the inflow of gold in India. People followed Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, but were tolerant towards other religions also. Okay? India had good business relations with whom? With Rome at that time, which led to the inflow of gold in India. Okay? People followed Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, but they were also tolerant towards other religions. Is it clear? See, this is Hindstang, and this is the tour route of Hindstang in India. Can you see? Hindstang कहाँ कहाँ travel किया था? All these red lines. Okay. Now we will see some
How
part
to
of.
pronounce this?
Ma'am, can I read it now?
What is your good name?
Ilma.
No, Ilma, you already had a turn. Anyone else?
Ma'am, can I read Benazir Goan?
Yes, Benazir,
Ma'am,
go
can
on.
Ma'am, can I read Amir Fatima?
Benazir,
Yes,
go on.
ma'am. From where?
From his time.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
From where?
From the first line, beta.
Okay.
Need to know.
The Chinese traveler Yuan Tsang visited India during Harsh Rian and studied Buddhism as
Tutored नहीं,
at
studied.
Nalanda for
Studied.
5 years.
Continue.
Ma'am, आपका
Things to know. Continue, beta.
there were 100 Buddhists in Harsh kingdom. People lived a simple, lives and peaceful life based on living by rules of good moral conduct and justice. Cheating and breach of promise were considered sinful.
Yes, very good. So all this is what I sorry. All this is what I explained to you in the PPT.
Ma'am,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
voice
Mother.
is low.
ये सब मैंने PPT में करवाया था. अभी याद है किसी को? Anyone remembers
What, ma'am?
that the Chinese traveler Yungsti visited India during Harsha's reign and studied
Yes,
Buddhism at Nalanda University for 5 years. There were 100 Buddhist monks in Harsha's kingdom. People lived a simple, pious, and a peaceful life based on living by rules of good moral conduct and justice. Cheating and breach of promises were considered sinful. Okay, what was it considered as sinful? Yes, read this slide, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The Chinese traveler Yun Tsang Xiaozhang visited India during her reign and studied Buddhism at Nalanda for 5 years. Yun Tsang Xiaozhang stayed in India for 15 years and visited different places. In 645 CE, he returned to China via Central Asia and took with him many books, relics, and statues. There were 100 Buddhist monasteries in Harsh kingdom. People lived a simple, pious, and peaceful life based on living by rules of good moral conduct and justice. Cheating and breach of promise were considered sinful.
Very good. So you understood that this is the same things which I have written in this PPT and which I already mentioned in your textbook. Chalo. Everyone understood till here?
Yes.
Malkani Rabia is present.
Can I read, ma'am? Can I read?
yes, ma'am.
Malkani Rabia is present. Malkani Rabia present हो? Malkani Rabia, can you listen me? Okay, no problem. Kadri Rabia, you can read this paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Kadri Rabia Bashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, Vatapi. When King Harsh was ruling over his empire in North India, King Pulkeshi II was ruling in South India. He had earlier defeated Harsh, route to the throne. The kings of the Chalukya Solanki dynasty established a vast empire in South India, which they ruled from their capital at Vatapi, Badami, Karnataka. Pulkeshi I, a great king of the Chalukya dynasty, performed the Ashwamedha Yagna. His flag had the symbol of Vara,
Varahavatar.
Varaha, Varahavatar. His son Kirtivarma ascended the throne after him. He was succeeded by his brother Manglesh, who built the grand Vishnu temple at Vatapi.
After him, the righteous Pulkeshi II became king and ruled over the empire for about 30 years.
Yes. So the root of the throne. See now, girls, my dear students, we finished one state here, right? अब हम कौन सा स्टेट कर रहे हैं? सेकेंड स्टेट. टू बिग स्टेट्स का सेकेंड स्टेट. And which is that state's name? What is that state's name?
Vatapi.
Yes, it is Vattapi. What is the state?
Latapi.
Vattapi. Now, when King Harsh was ruling over his empire in North India, King Pulkeshi was ruling in South India. Okay? And what had he done? He had earlier defeated Harshvardhan. हमने यहाँ ऊपर देखा, याद है? Do you remember? Yes. Yes, Rabia, read the last fourth line of the upper paragraph. Rabia,
Yes, ma'am.
last fourth.
Bhaskar Varman
नहीं,
within the,
लास्ट फोर्थ फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इंडिया से फोर्थ लाइन जाओ, ऊपर से थर्ड लाइन. ही ऑल्सो get my point from here. He also conquered. Got it? चलो, first line on your screen.
yes,
वहाँ से
he
पढ़ो.
also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty of South India. After
Once more.
766,
Once more.
yes, ma'am. He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty of South India.
Once more.
He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty of South India.
Once more.
He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty of South India.
So, my dear students, why it was repeated again and again? To make you remember where we are here. Now read first line. Means first two lines.
Yes, ma'am. When King Harsh was ruling over the empire in North India, King Pulkeshi II was ruling in South India. He had earlier defeated Harsh.
Once more.
When King Harsh was ruling over his empire in North India, King Pulkeshi II was ruling in South India. He had earlier defeated Harsh.
Yes, he had earlier defeated Harshvardhan. Do you get my point? What I mean to make you understand? What I want you to understand? That when हर्षवर्धन जब रूल कर रहे थे नॉर्थ इंडिया में, उसी टाइम पे पुलकेशी टू उसी टाइम पे पुलकेशी टू कहाँ पे रूल कर रहे थे? साउथ इंडिया में, है ना? तो हर्षवर्धन ने क्या किया था? हर्षवर्धन ने ट्राई किया था पुलकेशी टू का कैप्चर करने के लिए, पुलकेशी टू के एरिया पे रूल करने के लिए, बट ही वाज अनसक्सेसफुल. पुलकेशी टू हैड डिफीटेड हिम. यस और नो? I am not able to find it. Yes or no? Understood? What did you understand? Do you get my point? So
Yes,
सेम
ma'am.
सेम हम दूसरा स्टेट जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो है वातपी. एंड व्हाट टाइम इट इज? द टाइम व्हेन हर्षवर्धन वाज रूलिंग नॉर्थ इंडिया. At that time, Pulkeshi II was ruling South India. Do you get my point? आप समझ रहे हो? तो उस टाइम पीरियड में पुलकेशी II का राज्य कैसा था, कैसे वो थ्रोन पे आए, है ना? उन्होंने क्या क्या कंस्ट्रक्शंस किए, उनके टाइम पे क्या क्या चेंजेस आए, और एट लास्ट हर्षवर्धन और पुलकेशी II कि डेथ कब हुई, वो हम सब पढ़ेंगे वतापी स्टेट में। आप समझ रहे हो? डू यू गेट माई पॉइंट्स? व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग राइट नाउ, हम क्या समझ रहे हैं राइट नाउ? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट गर्ल्स? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes. So the king of the Chalukya, that
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
Solanki dynasty, yes, very good, established a vast empire in South India, which they ruled from the capital at Vatapi, Badami, Karnataka. Pulkeshi I, if you remember, girls, we learned about Pulkeshi I in class. In which class? Sixth class. Remember or not? Girls, remember or not? Forgot everyone? पुलकेशी I के बारे में सब भूल गए? He was a great king of Chalukya dynasty. कहाँ के king थे वो बेटा? He was the great king of Chalukya dynasty, and his flag symbol was Varaha Vatra. Okay, his son's name was Kirti Varma, who ascended the throne after him, and he was succeeded by his brother Manglesh, who built the grand Vishnu temple at Vatapi. After him, the righteous Pulkeshi too became the king and ruled over the empire for long, about 30 years. How many years, beta? For long, about 30 years.
30 years.
Yes. Can you revise this paragraph so that if anyone has any doubt, can ask me right now. Road to the throne. Road to the throne means what? कि उनका जो राज्य पे जाने का रास्ता कौन सा था पुलकेशी टू का, वो अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं इसमें. ओके, यस से बेटा, रीड बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. The king of the Chalukya Solanki dynasty established a vast empire in South India, which they ruled from their capital at Vatapi, Badami, Karnataka. Pulkeshi, a great king of Chalukya dynasty, performed the Ashwamedha Yagna. His flag had the symbol of Varahavatar. Varahavatar. His son Kirti His son Kirti Varma ascended the throne after him. He was succeeded by his brother Manglesh, who built the grand Vishnu temple at Vatapi. After him, the righteous Pulkeshi too became king and ruled over the empire for about 30 years.
So पुलकेशी टू ने कितने साल तक राज किया? 30 years तक. इमेजिन करो, 30 years मतलब के how the people will be satisfied with his kingdom. Do you get my point? Okay, how people were satisfied with the work of Pulkeshi II, how people were satisfied with the work of Harshvardhan, his empire and all this. If they were not satisfied, तो कोई उतने साल तक रह पाता बेटा? Can anyone live on the throne for so long? Huh?
No.
No, right? चलो यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, chalo. Anyone has doubt, then ask me. Otherwise, we'll end up our class here. Anyone, girls, any doubt? Ruby ma'am? Ruby
No,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Ruby ma'am is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So we'll end up our class here.
Yes, ma'am.